Hi. First off, I would like to say I'm sorry it's taken me so long to get to your comment. I took a much needed break from TikTok, Instagram, most social medias because I had just had a baby and I was not getting enough sleep. Now, to answer the question, the only thing I can actually think of as to why your bread would be wrinkling when it cools is you've got air pockets in it, which means... 1 second, sweetie. Which means that you didn't punch out enough of the air. To get rid of the air, you can either punch it down and knead it a little bit, or take a rolling pin and roll the dough out so that you can roll it up to the size of your loaf pan. But I would try the punching down and kneading method before the rolling. The rolling can, with a rolling pin, can kind of make your bread a little bit dense. Also, the wrinkling might be caused from a little bit of moisture in the house as well, but I can't see that being the problem. So I suggest the kneading solution first.